Hey, what's up, you guys? This is my new 2005 Suzuki Gsxr. I picked it up last year as a project. Um, when I went to go get it, it did not run. It actually had a few broken parts to it. Um, the windscreen was broken. The front cowl was broken. The mirror was broken. The clutch pedal was broken. I think those are the. Oh, and it's missing the right side, the air duct vent. So all that is gonna get replaced pretty soon. Um, but for right now, cosmetic wise, I don't want to worry about it too much. I just want to get the bike up and running again. The problem that it's having is the fuel pump is not turning on. Another thing that was having an issue was that the cluster did not turn on when I first got it. And I did put a new battery in. Now the problem with that was that one of the fuses um, on here kind of blew, and it was the one that says fuel, which is odd enough because why would a fuse for fuel affect the cluster? Didn't make any sense. Whatever. So I replaced it, started working again, but now the main thing I want to focus on is the fuel pump. So what the cause could be, right? So I ran a multimeter and a test light on all the fuses, even the main one, the 30 that's in the back. That was all working. I checked the fuel relay. Yeah, the fuel relay. That one works also, and it clicks. So that tells me that that is not the problem. Um, and I also put the test light onto it. It worked just fine. Um, when I came down here to do it over here on the plug of it, female end of it, um, it did not turn on, or it wasn't showing a light, right? So that made me believe, okay, possibly uh, there's a wiring issue, but I'm not 100% sure. So the next thing I wanted to test out was the fuel pump itself, right? So I didn't want to disassemble it yet because I didn't want to rule out any possibility of it could be something else, right? So I went to go pick up one of these power probe. I hooked it up to my battery, and then it's gonna have this alligator clip. You, it's basically a ground. You clip it onto the black and white wire prong in here, and then you turn on the switch for the motorcycle, and then you're gonna touch this with the yellow and the red wire prong. While doing that, you're gonna press the up to give it some positive, and when you do that, essentially it's supposed to kick on the fuel pump, which it didn't. So now I need to tear it down, take the old fuel out of it, and then also take out the fuel pump that's inside of it. I'm gonna take it out and see maybe it got a short circuit somewhere. Maybe there's a loose wire. Hopefully, that way I don't have to replace the whole fuel pump because it is very expensive. Um, but yeah,